What's up, guys? Making another video today. We are doing a 37 coupe. We're gonna be painting it for this guy. He's a local guy, and yeah, me and my buddy Nick are working on it. He wants it to be a possibly crazy purple color, so we're gonna put in some good work for him and see how it goes. And there'll be a time-lapse video of everything, and nothing really in depth yet, but yeah, we'll just show you our progress real quick on what we've done so far. So far everything's sanded, scuffed. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and do some body work, and then make sure everything else is straight, ready to go, and prime, and hopefully get her in the booth this week or later next week. So yeah, we'll show you real quick. So it's just the body, nothing crazy. Going through the body, we found some high spots and a couple low spots. A bunch of rust repair.
They never knocked down the Bondo before they laid the base coat. Whoever painted it last, that was neat.
It's pretty sad because it would have literally taken them less than 5 minutes to just sand off the highs that they had here. So there's a high here, a little bit right here. We're doing a little rust repair right here and over here. We're not really sure if this is rust yet, but
I think that was a shade door handle. They just did a shoddy body work job.
Oh yeah. And then over here on this side, it was pretty straight over here, except for there was rust bubble in here, so we're trying to take care of that the best we can and get that straightened out. The back of the body was still pretty straight, so we're not messing with anything back here as of now, except for there's a little crack.
You can hear it.
So the denser that sound is the body filler, obviously, and so that crack right there, we're just gonna have to sand down and feather it out and maybe put another layer over it. But other than that, the body's pretty straight from what we've seen. Something else that we're doing for the guy, there's a little bit of corrosion inside the door lip here. So what we're doing is just trying to knock that down best we can to make a smooth finish for the guy. It's all apart right now. They're rebuilding the motor, and yeah, we're pretty excited to work on this for the guy, and we'll make sure to include some clips and pictures and everything else in between, and yeah, pretty excited. What is up, everybody? We're back here with another video today. This is technically going to be in the part series of the Fiat restoration, basically, that we're doing. It should be like a paint job for it, but this is like almost 4 o'clock in the morning here, so I've been here for a while, but the car's all ready to go for paint tomorrow or on Saturday. But yeah, so we'll just I'll show you the car real quick here. Did a fair amount of body work on it. Couple more updated spots since the original video that should have rolled before this. just touched up a couple other spots with primer. Ended up going in here and kind of like rounding these off a little bit. That way these doors can sit a little more flush. They're right in there, those little guys. That way it sits a little more flush with the car. And this is the grill. This took majority of the time, if I'm being 100% honest. It's just really old, rusty, and needed a lot of work. So that's been my biggest thing that I've been doing here late at night. Yesterday I was here till about 3 in the morning, but today I've been here a little bit later, but I didn't get here as early. So like I said, this is the front grille. There might be a hood ornament there, I'm not sure. But anyway, I stripped this thing down pretty much as best as I could and started filling in some lows and trying to figure out, there's a spot right here and a spot right here. You can kind of see him a little bit, but I blended him in best I can. He's not really too worried about it. He just wants it to look uniform. So that's what I did. I made it look uniform. It's not perfect, but it looks uniform. So that was the biggest thing I was doing, was trying to mold these edges here to make it, you know, still like to look uniform, obviously. But other than that, this is basically all there is for this. The next clips will be painting in the booth. I'm gonna be spraying with Nick on that. But yeah, we're super excited to do this, and yeah, the guy we're doing this for, his name's Terry. Super nice guy, super chill. And just a quick demonstration right here. So I was sanding down here, and I noticed that I kept hitting some rough edges here. So there was a bunch of high spots here. Once again, just like up here and a couple other spots, they just didn't sand down what they did for body work. So came in there, did all that, and we're good to go for that. So yeah, guys, so like I said, these next few clips here will be basically us in the booth, or prep in the booth, whatever I got going for it. So yeah. super nice. We're using PPG Omni, I believe, which is their solvent base. So I'm actually liking it so far. I've sprayed it on a few of the parts of the car. Super nice. So yeah, let's get back into it. So that pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. Went and put a mist coat on and then 2 pretty good coats after that for the car. Everything came out really nice. We're pretty happy with it. We ran into some issues, but we ended up coming in clutch and they all pulled through. So yeah, there's not much else I can really say about it because it went pretty well for the most part. The color is really vibrant and it's actually a really nice color, but yeah, like I said, let's wrap up today's video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share to your friends, and we'll see you in the next one.